A lot of people don't be dealing with people right when they get ahead. A lot of people don't really be too humble or have too much humility when they get ahead. You can see it from a mile away as well. Don't be one of those people. It's a quick one. As I watch and observe and I seek and I learn. You know, a man said to me the other day, he said, yo, Beans, where'd you get all this stuff from? And I get this stuff from just sitting down, bro. Just watching, just listening, being quiet, being still. You know, remember when you're moving around fast, you know, you can't see things. When you're moving around fast, everything's a blur. I'm not perfect. I don't live this Zen lifestyle on top of a hill at all times. You know, but I made sure I slow myself down. I make sure that I check in with myself. I make sure that I do the necessary things that I need to do to make sure that I'm balanced and on a level.